Have you ever pondered about what unseen health threats the future may be holding for humanity? This question, while daunting, is one we must all ask ourselves as we navigate this ever-changing world. Health is, after all, our most valuable asset. It is the cornerstone of our existence, the key to our potential, and the foundation of our happiness. Yet, we live in an age where the threats to our health are no longer simply biological. They are multifaceted, evolving from various sectors that are intrinsically linked to our modern lives. As our world continues to progress, so too do these threats, constantly adapting and becoming increasingly complex. One of these sectors is technology. Now, don't get me wrong, technology has done wonders for our health. It's revolutionized medicine, improved diagnostics, and made healthcare more accessible. But it also presents new challenges. We must consider how our increasing dependence on technology could potentially lead to unforeseen health issues. Another sector is our environment. As we continue to push the boundaries of our natural world, we expose ourselves to new environmental challenges. Climate change, pollution, and biodiversity loss. All these factors can have significant impacts on our health, and we must be cognizant of them. Then there's the matter of lifestyle changes. Our modern lives are vastly different from those of our ancestors. We live in a world of convenience, of fast food and sedentary jobs, of stress and sleep deprivation. These lifestyle changes, while seemingly innocuous, can lead to a multitude of health problems, from obesity to mental health disorders. So what can we do? How can we prepare for these future health threats? The answer lies in awareness, in understanding these threats and taking proactive measures to mitigate them. Prevention, after all, is better than cure. Indeed, the future holds many mysteries, including potential health threats that we must prepare for. As we continue on this journey, let's remember to prioritize our health, to be vigilant of the threats that lie ahead, and to always strive for a healthier future. Imagine a world where technology has intruded into every aspect of our lives, including our health. Sounds daunting, doesn't it? Our increasing reliance on technology presents potential health threats that we might not immediately recognize. One such threat is tech addiction. The constant need to be connected can cause stress and anxiety. A solution to this can be a digital detox, setting aside dedicated time to disconnect from all devices. Moreover, technology often promotes a sedentary lifestyle. Hours spent in front of screens can lead to obesity and related health issues. Encouraging physical activities and adopting habits like taking frequent breaks from screens can help counter this. Lastly, there's the impact on mental health. The constant barrage of information and the pressure to keep up can lead to feelings of inadequacy and depression. Increasing awareness about tech-related health issues and promoting mental health resources can be effective countermeasures. While technology offers many conveniences, it's crucial to strike a balance to prevent it from becoming a health threat. Ever thought about how the environment around us could be a silent perpetrator of future health threats? In the panorama of health hazards, environmental factors often fly under the radar, yet their influence is pervasive and profound. One of these factors is pollution. From the air we breathe to the water we drink, pollution is an invisible foe that's always at work. It's a grim reaper, silently claiming lives through diseases like asthma, lung cancer, heart disease, and even stroke. Then there's the looming specter of climate change. As the Earth warms, we are witnessing a surge in heat-related illnesses and deaths. Changing weather patterns are also leading to increased incidence of infectious diseases as warmer climates become breeding grounds for disease-carrying insects like mosquitoes. And let's not forget the mental health toll of climate anxiety, a growing concern among younger generations. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are solutions within our grasp. Promoting sustainable practices is one. Think of it as a two-for-one deal. By reducing waste, we not only minimize the strain on our planet, but we also cut down on the toxins released into our environment. Reducing our carbon footprint is another key solution. This involves making changes at both individual and systemic levels. On a personal level, it could mean using public transportation, cycling, or walking instead of driving. On a larger scale, it involves transitioning to renewable energy sources and implementing energy-efficient practices in industries. Lastly, there's the need for stricter environmental regulations. We must hold corporations accountable for their environmental impact and ensure that they are not only minimizing their carbon emissions, but also managing their waste effectively. Remember, our environment is not just a backdrop to our lives. It's a dynamic entity that we interact with every day, and it directly impacts our health. It's a relationship of give and take, What we give to our environment, it gives back to us. If we give it pollution and neglect, it gives us disease and decay. But if we give it care and respect, it gives us health and vitality. The environment we live in directly impacts our health, hence the need for concerted efforts to protect and preserve it. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, could our very lifestyle be setting us up for future health threats? Consider this. Unhealthy eating habits, reduced physical activity, and heightened stress levels have become the norm for many of us. We're often reaching for convenience foods packed with sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. We're sitting more and moving less. And with the pressures of work and life, our stress levels are constantly elevated. These lifestyle changes don't just affect our quality of life today. They can lead to serious health problems down the line, like heart disease, diabetes, and mental health disorders. But there's good news. We can turn the tide. We can promote healthier eating by choosing whole foods over processed ones. We can prioritize regular exercise even if it's just a brisk walk during lunchtime. And we can manage stress through mindfulness techniques, adequate sleep, and a healthy work-life balance. Our lifestyle choices today can influence our health tomorrow. It's never too late to adopt healthier habits. As we navigate the future, it's crucial to stay vigilant about the potential health threats that lie ahead. We've uncovered how the rapid evolution of technology, while beneficial, could lead to unforeseen health complications. However, by staying informed and utilizing technology mindfully, we can mitigate these risks. We've also delved into the impact of environmental factors. With a rising tide of pollution and climate change, our health could be at stake. Yet, by advocating for and adopting sustainable practices, we can contribute to a healthier planet and consequently, healthier lives. Our exploration didn't stop there. We also discussed how lifestyle changes, particularly sedentary behavior and unhealthy diets, pose significant health risks. But by prioritizing regular exercise and balanced nutrition, we can keep these threats at bay. The key to combating future health threats lies in awareness, preparedness, and proactive measures. After all, health is not merely about surviving, but thriving.